dance through the highways, and on we'll go.
Pumpkin spice and everything nice. It's a cold, rainy day. It's like 60 something. And this is caramel apple from Bones Coffee Company. I'm going to try this. I'm going to try this and give you my honest first. It has a hint of caramel apple. It's good. I can definitely taste like the aftertaste of apple in it. Kind of, not really like a strong smell of it, but a little bit. Isn't this mug adorable? I got it at Marshall's. Love it. It's good. Good. You can get all of the flavors in the sample packs now. So if you're interested in getting just like sample packs from Bones, I recommend. The aftertaste, I feel like I just took a bite of an apple. It's good. Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, which a lot of you are, my name is Nacine. I'm 37. I have 4 beautiful kids, a fluffy husky that we eat his hair daily, 2 kitties, and I really like cookies. I just woke up. Please don't mind this. I'm drinking my Bones coffee out of my Bones tumbler. This is the chocolate raspberry with some pure and some almond milk. The cats are slapping each other. He said, get down, because she slapped him. That was funny. So today is the end of my week-long 16/8 intermittent fasting and breaking the fast with keto chow. How did I do? I think I did very well. The weekends were a little bit harder because my boyfriend was here and, you know, he wanted to go out to eat and do things like that. I tried my hardest. I did have some popcorn at the movie. It didn't really make me feel crappy, so that was good. I only had a little bit of it. And I did make some cookies last night, some keto cookies, which did not turn out right, like at all. They were like puffs, like you touched them and they fell apart. And the cats are fighting again. So, yeah, I did have a little bit of popcorn. I had the cookies. I tried the ice cream last night. So last night, probably, and before weigh-in day, probably not the best. I don't feel bloated or gross or anything like that, but my lowest weight, my new lowest weight is 224. Now, if you remember last Sunday, I was at 225.8, so that's not bad. If I keep this up and I keep doing IF like I used to, okay, the cat's gonna knock drinks over and I'm gonna get pissed. If I keep this up and I keep doing intermittent fasting, the weight will keep coming off. I'm not mad because I was in a stall, so that makes me happy. If you consider a stall not losing anything for the month until you have your period. The beginning of this video is so all over the place. In this house, you hear dishwashers, you hear animals, you hear kids, and you hear definitely TV. Because getting the kids to not play the TV when I am trying to record is, I mean, geez, the cats are really mad at each other. What? Link is like, what is happening? I'm just smelling you. Dexter, stop pushing her into Link. She doesn't like him. What a jerk. You're a jerk, boo-boos. Why are you being so mean to Macy? Why are you being mean to her? As I was saying, in this house you hear animals, kids, and TVs. I don't know what's for dinner tonight. It's Kids Cook Keto night and it's Tiffany's turn. So you'll see me then. Chris is still sleeping. He goes home today. No, I hate when he goes home. We had such a great weekend. I love when he's here. I love when I'm there. We had a great time and that's all that matters. So I'm gonna get off here. I'm gonna finish cleaning up. And these cats are back at it again. So here comes Link. Oh my God, I gotta go. Okay, Tiffany's other 2 packages came from Christy. Open them up. Not for you, Linky. You are just gonna be all viscoed out.
Sorry, what?
Visco.
What?
Visco girl. Tiffany is a visco girl.
What?
It's a style.
What planet is this?
They wear those bracelets that she had on last night, and scrunchies on their wrists, and oversized shirts, and Crocs or Birkenstocks, and the shells, and they use the metal straws.
We call them hippies back in my day.
In our day, they are Visco girls.
Okay.
And they make that noise.
Now to get some chocolate milk.
Do the noise, Tiffany. Yeah, they do that. I don't know why.
And I oop.
Yeah, they say that.
Oh.
And I oops. I don't. It's a thing. There are other necklaces. I think like you can layer them or something.
Oh, these ones are more popular. These are what the rich kids have.
Oh, the rich kids have them?
Yeah.
What is it? Is that a necklace?
Yeah, rich kid necklaces.
It's got one down for real. It's on the TV. Sorry.
They like your singing anyways. That's very pretty. What about your other package?
There's another
These
one.
are from Christy. This is very nice of you, Christy.
There's
Thank you
another
very
one.
much.
I'm gonna be so visco. This could help with my Halloween. Too bad I'm gonna be Peppa Pig now.
Cause what? Look, she even said, I hope you like your Visco necklaces.
Too bad I'm gonna be Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig can be Visco Peppa Pig.
Visco Peppa Pig.
I'm being Visco Peppa Pig. It's final.
Send me the t-shirt. I wear XL, just saying.
Don't get him Rusev.
He likes Mortal Kombat, just saying.
He'll hate the Rusev shirt. Don't get it.
Don't send me anything. Would you like some scissors, Tippy?
She
No,
gets
I'm
it.
big strong.
There you go, Hulkster.
I get to see first.
I already know what it is. Yeah.
Is it an envelope full of money? What is it?
Yay! I'm so excited.
Wrestling boots?
No, it's beyond. Beyond.
More hippie stuff? Oh shit, I dropped my cookie.
Not even.
Thanks, Link.
Look!
Oh,
She was just talking about Peppa Pig.
that's funny.
Gonna be Peppa.
I like how you have a pink dot on your knee.
Oh, that's for my hole puncher.
I know. Does it have a tail? Oh my god. What's that? A nose.
Oh my god, it's a nose!
That's your Halloween costume. Visco Peppa Pig.
Peppa.
Put your ears on.
Peppa. Peppa.
Thank you, Christy. Oh my gosh. Tell Christy thank you.
Thank you, I'm Peppa Pig.
So I was watching Aaron's video from yesterday and today, and I was doing my makeup. I just want to tell you guys, this brown on my lid I got from Dollar Tree. It's the e.l.f. smudge pot. It's legit. It's really good. I like it. I didn't even put eyeliner on today. Can you see? I don't know if you can really see. It's kind of bright in here. I think I love it. It stays on really good, and it's just like, all they had was the brown, but $1. It's really good. Anyways, I made the kids breakfast. I made some bacon and some eggs and breezed through some cheese in there. So this is my plate. Tasty. I'm still waiting for Chris to wake up. I haven't even got dressed, but I'm like fully like done, except for my hair, which I may just keep like this, I don't know. But I watched Erin's video and she plans on continuing the intermittent fasting. I plan on continuing the intermittent fasting. I'm not sure how much she's lost. I text her, but it's kind of early, so it's 10 here. It's probably like 9 there. This is like her only day off, so she's probably sleeping in. But I'm pretty excited, and I'm very thankful that she asked me to do this with her, because it was a good idea and I really needed to do this. And I do have some more keto chow left. I think I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 individual packets and then like 1 serving in my big chocolate bag. So I'm definitely gonna have to order more keto chow because I did enjoy it. And I'm going to order the, I think it was the pecan oil, or was it the hazelnut oil? One of them, I can't remember. It's like $7.99 on Amazon, she said. So I have a $10 Amazon credit from you guys buying things from the Amazon links down below. So I'm gonna use that to purchase that, and then I'm gonna try that in my keto chow. I was gonna do it, I think I was gonna do it Thursday or Friday, but I didn't have my card with me because I didn't need my card. Why didn't I do it? I can't remember why I didn't do it. I didn't do it. That's, I also have a Grove Collaborative order that I was gonna order the pumpkin scents before they go away, because I have $10 credit for there too. But I didn't have my card for that, and that I had to buy at least $12 worth, so I had to buy a couple of other things. You guys were like, I don't care, Nacine. I just read some of the comments from yesterday's video, and you guys really liked Chris's song, Get Yourself a Cheese Grate. Man, those are the kind of things I get to listen to all the time. Hey guys. So I was talking to Erin, and we were just like kind of like, wow, we were kind of shocked that we both lost weight. We weren't tracking, and all we were doing was just doing intermittent fasting. We both kind of like the idea of not tracking, because for the most part we know what has carbs, how many carbs, and we have common sense to look it up if need be. So I think we're both going to stick to our IF and not tracking, and just seeing how it kind of goes. We both lost weight and we're both feeling good. So of course I'll let her tell you how much she lost, but today we are going to be filming Kids Cook Keto. It is Tiffany's time. So she has picked Swedish meatballs. So you will see that in that video, and we're getting ready to go do that. I think this lip is called Honey Blush. This is from the Dollar General line that Jeffree Star reviewed. I wanted to try it, and I saw Erin try it, and then I was like, okay. So I was there yesterday and I picked it up, and I really like it too. It stays on, it's not sticky, it's not, I mean, if I were to kiss my hand, a little bit comes off, but it's still staying pretty much on my lip. So I'm not mad at it. $4. That's really good. That's really good. I'm sorry, I'm putting my shoes on. Link is freaking out because he wants to go. It's raining and he's not going. He's not allowed in my car until he stops shedding so much. I got new wiper blades. Chris put them on before he left. I'm super excited about that. Sounds really weird, but when you get old, that's what happens, right? So only thing we got to get from the store is onion, ground chuck.
You're old.
Yes, I am. I'm so old. Onion, ground chuck, and radishes. If you guys have Hulu, I totally recommend binge watching Superstore. It's an amazing show. It's hilarious. I like it. It's my new thing. But yeah, we're getting ready to go, so I'm gonna get off of here. Bye. Hey guys, we just left Applebee's. Tiffany and I went out to lunch together. I had a bunless cheeseburger. It had a couple slices of bacon, and I had the pickles, and I did dip it in regular ketchup. I just dipped it. And then I had a Caesar salad, and I took the croutons off. Tiffany had nachos, which I brought her some weird quesadilla thing. Luckily, we got somebody to come and take that, and then they brought her nachos, which by the time they brought her nachos, I had already finished eating. So she's got them in her little container, and they gave her a free dessert. So that was nice that they gave her the free dessert. Kind of sucked that the whole time I was eating, Tiffany had to do nothing, and I felt bad, but she didn't want any of my food. I was gonna let her eat some of it. She didn't want any. So now we are off to go home, and in a little while we'll start cooking dinner and getting that prepared. And Aaron just sent me a picture of Walmart has like the drink enhancers for wine flavored drink enhancers. Are you kidding me? Do they have alcohol in them, or no? It's just flavored, right, Aaron? All right, so Misty sent me these because she wanted me to review them because they kind of didn't sit well with her stomach. So these are keto certified. They are called Good to Go, and they have 2 grams of sugar, 3 gram net carbs, and 7 fiber, 14 grams of fat, and 170 calories. 5 erythritol, 2 sugar, 7 fiber, 15 total carbs. I went over these in one of my other videos, but almond flour, inulin, erythritol, pecans, baking powder, ground chia seeds, sea salt, cinnamon, amaranth flour, rosemary extract, mixed tocopherols, whatever the heck that means. I don't know what that means. So we're gonna try one right now. From feeling it, I feel like they're broken up into like 3s. Oh no, they're not. But you are able to break them up. They're very soft. They're almost cookie-like. So you can just break off a piece. If I remember correctly, I think this is a Canadian company. Good to go snacks.com. I will link it down in the description. I like it. I really like it. I think it's really good. It really sucks. It messed up your stomach. I wonder what it was that messed up your stomach. Maybe it's the mixed toco for whatever that is. I hope it doesn't mess up my stomach because this is amazing and I really like it. It's soft. It's like, I don't know. I can taste the cinnamon. I love the pecan in it. It's just very soft and tasty. I'll keep you updated if I start feeling weird. So I had 2 of Tiffany's Swedish meatballs that you'll see in this week's episode of Kids Cook Keto. And then I'm just having leftovers, one of the Parmesan crusted chicken breasts, and then some broccoli. And I'm going to close out tonight's vlog because it is 5:45 and I need to edit many videos. So, goodbye. Close it out, Linky. Close it out. Close it out all the way.